You know why the explosion on Geometry Dash is copying your colors. I will explain it. This explosion is copying your colors because it's same any games. If you use any color on the Geometry Dash, the explosion still copy your colors.
Bro, what is happening on Geometry Dash, bro?
And see this I playing. If I jump to spike, the explosion is copy my colors. The simple is easy. First use any color and don't customize your explosion. If you do customize, the explosion is still copied because you didn't see it. The copy explosion is on back on the customize explosion. Whatever you do is Taco Bell. That's the end of the video. Bye.